Hi everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a free custom CRM for your business. You'll be able to use this to keep track of leads. It's very easy to set up and it's completely free. You're only going to need a free Google account and a free Zapier account. So just to give an idea of how things work, we're going to use Google Form to collect the lead data, then send that data to Google Sheets to be added as a row. And lastly, we're going to trigger an email notification to let us know when a new lead has been added. And all of this will be made possible using Zapier. Don't worry, it's a no-code solution and it's very easy to set up. If you're ready, let's get started. So the first thing you're going to do is create a Google Sheet. I just went ahead and created mine before the video. It just has a few columns. First one is timestamp. This is when the lead was submitted, the name of the prospect, email, phone, the company, the lead source. This is where you can ask the prospect, how did they hear about you? And last interaction is the last time you spoke with the prospect. Next action, this could be a follow-up email or a follow-up SMS or just a follow-up call. And the last column, notes, this is where you can add any extra information if needed. Okay, so now that our sheet is ready, let's go ahead and create our Google form. So go to Google Form, let's create a brand new one. I'm going to call mine test lead form. You can name yours whatever you want. This is just for the example of the video. So the fields that we're going to add to our form is name, email, phone, company, and the lead source. Okay, so let's check our form and make sure that it's live. Name, email, phone, company, and how did you hear about us? Great. So our form is live. Next, let's go to Zapier and connect these applications. So let's go ahead and create a new Zap. Let's go ahead and create a trigger, and that will be the Google form because that is where data will be collected. And the event will be a new form response. Click continue. Make sure that your account is connected. Click continue. And our form is called test lead form. Let's just go ahead and make sure. Yes, it is. Click continue. Test the trigger. Okay, so it's going to generate some sample data. Go ahead and click select continue with selected record. So after the new form has been submitted, what do we want to happen? That is where you're going to select the action. And the action is we want it to be added to our Google Sheets. So let's select Google Sheets. And in this case, we want to add a new spreadsheet row. Let's go ahead and click continue. Make sure your account is connected. Continue. Select your Google Drive. The spreadsheet name is my custom CRM, as you can see here. Worksheet is going to be sheet 1. Okay, so let's go ahead and map the fields. For timestamp, we're going to select create a time. Then we're going to select the name. Select email. Company. How did you hear about us? So we're going to leave this. We're not going to add anything for last interaction, next action, or notes. So let's continue. Let's test the step. All right, let's publish our Zap. Okay, so our Zap is now published. Okay, so remember that we want an email notification to let us know when a new lead is added to the sheet. So let's go ahead and create that. This is going to be a Gmail notification. For the event, we want to send an email. Click continue. Make sure that your email is connected. In this case, I'm going to send it to nocodemario@gmail.com. Test form. Test form. Subject. You can put whatever you want here. New subject can be new lead submission. Okay, so the last thing we need to do is to test our form to make sure that it's working. So let me just enter some information here. Now remember, when I click submit, it's going to populate my Google Sheets. So it's going to populate my Google Sheet and then also send me a notification via Gmail. Okay, so let's submit. Now it can take up to 15 minutes for it to populate in the system. All right, so my sheet was populated with the data. Got a timestamp, name, email, phone, company name, and lead source. And let me check the Gmail. I should be getting a notification anytime now. Okay, great, there it is. Got a new submission. So there you go. You can use the system as your CRM. It's very simple and effective, and you don't have to pay any money for this. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. If you want to reach out to me directly, just join my email list in the description and you can reply to my email and I will answer in no less than 24 hours. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.